Hey everyone on YouTube. I'm going to show you how I make my protein Ninja Creamy using Truvani plant protein base banana cinnamon, one of my favorites. I also like to put one medium banana in it, a little bit of extra cinnamon because I like it a little more cinnamon, the Fairlife milk, vanilla extract, my monk sugar, Xanthan gum. It helps keep the ice crystals out, so it's a better cream. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I hope you like it. Keep following for more videos. So I start off with one medium banana. I measure out 4 ounces of Fairlife milk. I always go over a little bit. It's okay. I put 1 gram or half a gram, no, 1 gram, or a little bit more. I like to use my immersion blender to blend the banana with the milk and the vanilla extract. It breaks up the banana and makes it into a liquid form. It also mixes everything together. I take it off so I can put the rest of my ingredients in. I'm going to put my Truvani banana cinnamon protein, 31 grams of this, and it gives you 20 grams of protein. 31. Almost. I put 2 teaspoons of my Monkfruit Sweetener. It's 8 grams. 8 grams total. I mean, you can always do less depending on how your taste buds are. If you want a little sweeter, there's no calories in this, so whatever you decide. I then put 2 grams of Xanthan gum. It helps keep the ice crystals out and make it more ice cream creamy. 2 grams. Yay. So each pint or each container is around 366 calories. With my mix-in, I believe it adds around 50 more calories. So you're looking at 416 calories per container. You could eat half, you could eat the whole thing. For me, I need more protein, so I've been trying to substitute this or put this into my regular daily food so that I can have more protein, because I need to make 120 to maintain my muscle mass and to help fill those voids where I'm not getting enough protein per day. So this is going to go into my freezer. It's going to sit there for 24 hours, and then by tomorrow night it'll be ready to go. I can eat it. I usually let it sit for 15 minutes, and then I blend it in my Ninja Creamy on light ice cream, and it comes out really, really good. So let's see 24 hours later how it tastes. Hopefully you guys like it. If you like it, I might put some more videos up of different ones that I use, but for right now, this is my go-to. I'm getting enough protein that I need, and it fills me. I always need my coffee. Amy runs on Dunkin'. My mocha iced coffee. So while my Ninja Creamy ice cream, banana cinnamon protein, is defrosting for 15 minutes, I like to start getting my mix-ins ready. So I like to use my daughter's animal crackers. It gives it a nice crunch. They're good, and they actually taste really, really good with the banana cinnamon. So I like to take my meat hammer and just break up some. So I have some that are not so whole, and gives it like a little graham cracker taste on top, just a little crunchier. So I'll beat those up with this. And then I'll put a few, when I go to use the mix-in setting, inside so it gives the little whole pieces too. And you'll see that once we make our ice cream. So my Ninja Creamy has been sitting out for 15 minutes. It's now ready to go into my creamy container. I'm going to pop it in. I'm going to put on the lid. I'm going to put it in my Ninja Creamy. I'm going to lock it into place. I'm going to press the light ice cream. It's really loud, so I'm not going to record too much of this part. Okay, it did the first spin, so I'm going to release it. I have to open it, check it. I'm going to do a second spin because obviously it's still a little not creamy. It's more like sand, but not grimy like sand or grimy like sand. So we're going to respin. Here's the respin button. So light ice cream, now respin. And there it goes. So here I like to take it out, open it up. It should be pretty good. I like to take my spoon and just push down the sides. I don't like the ice on the sides. Some people like the ice. Me personally, I think it's nasty. So I do this before I put my mix-ins in so that it can come out even more softer and not have like the ice crystals that are sometimes on the sides. You can also put it under some hot water. That usually helps. So I'm going to take my spoon. I'm going to make a little circle in the bottom. I'm going to grab some of my broken up graham crackers. I'm going to put some in the middle. And then I'm going to grab about 4 of my animal crackers. And I'm just going to place them in the middle as well. Between 3 and 4. I think 3 is good this time. Then I like to take the leftover ice cream that I pulled out and just push it around on top. Try to get it all smooth out. Then I'm going to place this back in my container. And now I'm going to hit the mix-in setting. Put it back on. So I can get it back in. I'm going to spin it back on. And now we're going to hit the mix-in setting. And it's going to mix it in. It's a little softer sound than actually blending up the ice cream. Alright, it's all done. So we're going to release it. Open up the lid. Shake it off because sometimes it gets stuck. This is what it looks like. And what we're going to do is I like to take my spoon and smush it down a little bit more. Look at it. It looks so good. Nice and creamy. We're going to take the rest of our animal cracker. I'm going to sprinkle it on top. And then I like to take some of my animal crackers and place them in. Oh, this guy lost a leg. Oh, Can't tell now. And that is how my banana cinnamon protein ice cream comes out. So here it is, my banana cinnamon protein ice cream, and it is really good. The mix-ins really make it what it is. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna eat my protein ice cream. This is gonna help with my protein intake today. It's gotta be good if my little Madeline likes it and she'll sit there and eat it with me. So it's gotta be really good. So give it a try. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna come on with more videos soon. Everybody, have a great day. I'm gonna put the macros and everything up on the screen. Thanks again for watching my video. I hope you tune in for the next one. I'm gonna go off and eat my Ninja Protein ice cream. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.